Find features that differentiate it from other brands for DIGIX USB rechargeable desk fan. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Powerful turbo airflow and 100 speed control. Strong airflow for personal and room cooling. Commanded turbo strength airflow with turbofan technology. The 100 speed adjustable small desk fan delivers turbo airflow for rapid whole room air circulation. Perfect as a powerful bedroom fan, kitchen fan, or quiet office USB desk fan for instant personal cooling anywhere. 8.5-hour runtime and 2.5-hour fast charge. 3000 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery. Enjoy 8.5-hour cordless cooling with 3000 mAh battery capacity. The USB-C rechargeable battery-powered fan fully charges in just 2.5 hours via phone charger, laptop, or car adapter, making it perfect as a handheld fan, travel fan, camping fan, or all-day use office desk fan without outlet dependence. Under 26 decibels whisper quiet operation. Silent operation for sleeping and working experience. Library quiet cooling under 26 decibels. This whisper quiet cooling fan for bedroom operates quieter than a whisper, making it ideal as a bedroom fans for cooling and sleep, home office fan for focus, or quiet fan for baby rooms. Large smart LED display. Real-time speed and battery monitoring. The clear LED display USB fan portable for desk shows exact fan speed settings and remaining battery percentage at a glance. This rechargeable fan with display offers precise control, functioning as both a digital display room fans for cooling and reliable personal cooling fan. Ultra lightweight and portable. Compact and lightweight for anywhere use. Weighing only 1.2 pounds. This compact rechargeable desk fan fits perfectly on crowded desks, nightstands, or in travel bags. The lightweight personal fan is ideal as a small office fan for desk, dorm rooms, or as a small travel fan for hotels and vacations. Dual guard rails, safe and durable. Child and pet-friendly design with 90 degrees adjustability and modern style. This small fans for bedroom features a sleek, modern design built with durable ABS materials and a dual-layer safety grille for complete kid/pet protection. The 90 degrees adjustable head of this desktop fan directs multi-directional airflow upward or downward, making this safe personal fan perfect for nurseries, living rooms, and offices. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.